Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Up. My name is Anil. In this session, I am going to discuss one core Java intro question which I faced in Cognizant. The question is, find the word count from a string. Let's start this. Let me open the IntelliJ. If you will see, there is a string that is Java Selenium Cucumber, Java REST Assured Selenium TestNG. So from this string, I will basically count all the words, okay, and I will display the word counts. Let's start this. Let me declare one string, let's say str is equal to this string okay. Then after that, so what I'm going to do here, I will split the string and all the words I will keep it into one string array. So let's do this. Let's say string arr is equal to str dot split. When I will split? When there is a space, that time I will split it, okay. Then all the words are stored in string array, okay. Now I need to count all the words, so I will declare one hash map. Let's say hash map, okay. In the hash map I will pass I will pass word. For all the words I will declare it as a string, and for count I will declare it as integer, okay. And I will create, let's say, anything hash map, let's say hash map is equal to new hash map, okay. Then what I will do, I will just create one for loop for, let's say, int I is equal to 0, then I less than arr dot length. I will basically iterate through the array, okay. Then I plus plus, okay. So 1 second guys, int I is equal to 0. Oh, so this should be semicolon, okay. I is equal to 0 and condition is I less than array length, and I plus plus, okay. Then I will put one condition. Let's say I will take one more string, so let's say string str1, let's say, is equal to arr of I. Basically I will iterate through all the array elements and store all the value in str1. Then I will check, I will put one condition, if that word is already present in hash map or not. So how can I do that? So basically I will write down hash map dot contains key. If hash map dot contains key is equal to str, that means if that word is already present in the map or not, okay. If it is already present, then what I will do, I will just simply write down hash map dot put, then I will put the word, that is str1, comma, and the value. For the value, what I will do, I will just write down hash map dot get or default, okay. If it is default, then just simply put 0. If already present, then add 1, okay. Else let's say if it is not present, then in that case what we'll do, we'll just simply write hash map dot put. Okay, in that we'll just write down str1 and the value is simply 1 because it's not first time. First time means the value will be 1, right? Then just print it. So system.out.println, then hash map. Okay, and if you run this, you will see the result. That's it, guys. See, Java 2 times, REST assured 1 time, TestNG 1 time, Selenium 2 times, Cucumber 1 time. Absolutely working fine. Okay, that's how you can find the word count from a string using hash map. Okay, that's it, guys. I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel. Anything if you want, you can put in the comment box. I will reply you. Share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys.